Hopping groups of 2 black keys. All right, let's get started. I want you to take a few minutes to explore the keyboard. Look at it. It's black and white, and you will notice that you have groups of 2 and groups of 3 black keys and a pattern that just keeps repeating. 2, 3, 2. Okay? All right, so as I mentioned, you have these patterns of 2 black keys and 3 black keys. But for this video, I want you to look at your left hand, and we're going to be using fingers 3 and 2. Okay? So just get those fingers ready. And we're using our left hand, as I mentioned, and I only want you to play groups of 2 black keys starting from the left. The left is the lowest, so find your 2 black keys and just hop up and notice the sound. It's getting higher and higher, and I want you to keep those fingers curved too. Now we're going to use our right hand, and we're going to use fingers 2 and 3 again, and we're going to start to the right of the keyboard, which is the high sound, and work our way down. Keeping those fingers curved, just hopping down. Notice how it gets lower and lower. Great job.